Hey, so welcome back to my channel. So if you are here because you Googled or you searched how to add with a place value chart, or if your child is actually in my class, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to get into adding with a place value chart, and I will show you an example, and then hopefully we can do one together. But before we get into that, I wanted to just stress how important it is that we go back to our old ways and use some flashcards to help our kids with understanding and memorizing their addition and subtraction facts. So I use this with my son. We will use it in the car, on the way to the store, or just at home for a couple minutes. Just something quick to help his brain memorize his addition facts was really important. And I will say now that he does really good in math because he has the basics down. And so now he's ready to learn higher things. So we really want to stress using addition and subtraction flashcards just to help build that fluency so that when kids are adding 8 plus 2, they know it's 10, or 4 plus 4, they know it's 8. They don't have to think about it so deeply. So this is a great strategy to use, like I said, in the car, quick 5 minutes at home, anything just to kind of get them to do it quickly, and then you quiz them, and then you move on. So today, adding with a place value chart, I am going to show you the strategy that we use. And this strategy is really going to help build their ability to add with regrouping. And so that'll be the next video. This strategy helps them understand why we regroup and what that actually means when we regroup in adding and in subtracting. So addition with using a place value chart. So I already have my problem on the board. I have 36 plus 12. With addition, our kids know that we have to put both numbers on there when we're adding because we're making a bigger number. So we're adding them together to make a bigger number. So with 36, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 circles. And I'm in the tens place in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the ones place. I tried to group them by 5. That's really a nitpicky skill, but I just think that it looks easier and it's better to when you want to just subtract them or add them up together, you already have them in groups of 5 with each number. So 36 is on the board. I have 3 in my tens place and 6 in my ones place. Then for 12, I'm going to just do 1 inside my tens place, 1, 2 in my ones place. Now I'm ready to add them up because I am adding my numbers. So I can add 6 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 inside my tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4 inside my tens place. So 8 inside my ones place, 4 in my tens place. So I have added my number up using my place value chart. So take this time quickly while I write a new problem on the board. Take this time, go get a paper, a pencil if you do not have one. And if you do have one already and you're ready, go ahead and write you a tens and ones chart on your board, on your paper, so that we can do this together. All right, so this is our new problem. Go ahead and write that vertically. Our kids know to write it up and down because that's how we add and subtract when we write our bigger number on top. Even with addition, I have our kids write the bigger number on top because writing the bigger number on top is going to get them in the habit so that when they switch over to subtraction, they already have the bigger number on top. So label your tens and ones chart and you're ready to go. All right, so first step, since we're adding, we're going to write out both of our numbers inside of our tens and ones chart because we're making a bigger number when we're adding. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for 40 in my tens place, and 43. 1, 2, 3 inside my ones place. Now I'm going to go to the number 26, add that to my tens and ones chart because once again, we are adding 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside my ones place. Now I'm ready to add them up. You can double check to make sure that you have the right number. I highly agree that our kids should double check to make sure they have the right amount of circles in each section for their numbers, because when we don't have the right amount of circles, we have the wrong answer, right? So 4 and 3, 2 and 6, I'm ready to start working in my ones place. We must start in our ones place and then go over to the tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 inside the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside my tens place. My answer is 69. So that is how we add and subtract with our tens and our ones. If it was a hundreds number, it would be the same thing. So I could quickly do one of those. Erase your boards, or get you a new space, get ready for a new space. And we're gonna draw out our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. We're not doing any regrouping right now. That will be in the next video. So hundreds, tens, and ones chart. If your child is sitting next to you, they know how this looks. So hundreds, tens, and ones chart, let's put our hundreds in front. And now we can add 1, no regrouping right now. So same thing, I'm adding. So I'm going to go ahead and draw both numbers out. 1 inside my hundreds place. 1, 2, 3 inside my tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside my ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4 in my tens place. 1, 2, 3 inside my ones place. So I'm going to check to make sure I have the right amount of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 136. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 inside my ones place for 43. Now I'm ready to add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is where knowing your facts, your kids, if they know them, they know 6 plus 3 equals 9. They won't have to sit there and count each circle. I do it because some of our kids still are struggling with memorizing their facts. But now in this part of the year, we're pushing them really to be able to do things in their head, so using mental math. 4 plus 3 is 7, and then 1. So 179. So same type of thing using our tens and ones chart. I would do another video with our hundreds, tens, and ones, but if your child was ready for that and they wanted to see that, that's why I showed you. But thank you so much, parents, for coming and watching this video. It just shows your dedication to helping your child become successful academically. As a parent, I appreciate that, and also as a teacher, I appreciate that as well. Like, subscribe so that I can send more videos. And if you have any questions, anything you want to tell me, let me know in the description box below. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yep, have a good day.